Oh no. We don't need that thing anyway. Should we put a different bridge in?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's use this bridge. Oh.
One, two.
Choo choo.
Oh, one, two.
Look at that.
Two.
It's still not connected though. Oh, Eleanor, can you help it connect it? Can you connect the track to here? Hey. Can you put the track on here? Okay. Can we put this one on there? Oh, another bridge. Where's that gonna go?
Uh-oh.
Yep, those don't fit together. They both have pegs. Oh, does that one fit? Yeah, you got the right idea. Remember, the peg goes in the little notch. Where can we put those pieces? Hmm. Oh, right here? Oh, there's an opening. That's right. Good job. Oh no. Can you fix that one? Oh, do you need help? Okay. Oh, another block.
No.
Oh my goodness, you want to see something? You want to hear something silly? That's a train whistle. Good job. Good job. Back into the bin. Oh no. It's broken. Yeah. Where are you going? Here. Hmm. You're such a goofball. That's a pretend power line. Mm-hmm. Oh, goes right there? Okay. More? Oh. Oh, man.
P.U. P.U. Daddy.
Oh, what? Did Daddy have a toot?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yucky.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! You just tripped over the bridge you made. Look at our track, it's in shambles. Look at all this train track, Eleanor. Should we fix it? Oh, okay. Oh, can you find a place for that? Okay. Oh, do you want it right there? Well, then plug it in right there. You have to look. I don't think that's how it goes. No, Eleanor. No, we don't need to touch the K-cups.
Mommy.
Yeah, Mommy made coffee this morning.
Mine too.
Oh, yes, there's at least 2 K-cups in there.
Mommy. Mine too hot.
Mm-hmm.
Boo. Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy makes coffee too. Can you say coffee?
Car.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Oh, are we all done with trains? Shoot, let's pick them up. We'll clean them up and we can play with them later.
Mine too.
Oh, good. Good cleaning up.
Mine.
Good job. Choo-choos. Into the bin. Oh, good job. Oh, no, you don't just pull them apart, kiddo. You just have to slide them apart. There you go. Good job. Only a couple more pieces to go. Can you get those apart? Oh, there's one. Oh, kiddo, you don't have to pull so hard. Here, look. See? You just pick them up apart like that. Good job. Oh, bless you. Oh. Oh, my. Oh, bless you. Time to do some grilling. What's wrong? Mustard and ketchup. The choo-choo needs mustard and ketchup? Okay. Oh, look at that, Eleanor. It's corn. We had corn at State Fair yesterday, didn't we? Where's your corn? Do you see a corn? There it is. It's a cob of corn. Yeah, we ate that at the fair. Yeah, you pretend to eat it. Hot dogs. Oh, we put the ketchup on there. How far you've come, kiddo. Good job. 1. Okay.
My turn.
Oh, good job. Yes, there's 2 bottles.
Sit.
You're gonna sit by them?
Daddy.
Oh, you want me to sit here too? Okay. Oh.
No.
Oh, I need to sit right against the door? Okay.
Uh-oh.
What?
It's her though.
Yeah, you can't see the screen because Daddy's taking a video. Do you want to play on the phone? Are you getting hungry for breakfast?
No.
No, not yet. Oh, you who needs breakfast when you can drink pretend ketchup, right? And eat corn.
Daddy.
Oh, this one's mine. Oh, thank you. Yum num num num. Mm. Oh, kiddo.
Choo-choo.
Choo choo.
Ha-ha.
I love you. It's all done? Okay.
Oh.